Hi, in this tutorial I will unpack and install the 0.2 hotend. Actually, this is how any hotend can be installed. This part is magnetic. Check this out. I will move the head up so that can I easily install the hotend. In order to be able to move the head on the axis, I need to accept the home function. So all I have to do is to pull from the bottom with a bit of force. Next, I will remove the silicone socks. I need to pull down first. And here is how is built so that you have an idea why you have to pull down first. Now we can remove the hotend. Be careful how you orient the magnet. This is wrong. Orient the magnet like this. And now put the silicone back. In the next video, I will post a print with this hotend.